Education, let's all give a big hand to Dr. Rosalina C. Bailongo, Dean of the College of Education. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Although we have the least number of ETIAP students this year, we have only two. May I see these two people? Okay. We have only two ETIAP candidates for this year. We still want to share with you what is the College of Education of Inverga University. The College of Education is committed to help upgrade university governance and resource generation. The college is committed to become a model of academic excellence and value-centered education, to help raise the quality of life of citizenry, to utilize applicable research findings for the equipment of teachers, to help in the development of a mature citizenry capable of making critical decisions for themselves and for the country, and to the preservation and enrichment of our culture and history. College of Education began operating that summer of 1947 with only an elementary teacher certificate program. After 6 years in 1953, 4 programs leading to the degree of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education were offered. In 62 years, many significant changes have taken place. It is the foremost teacher training institution in Quezon Province and, more importantly, in Region 4. Graduates have high market absorption. 73% of teachers in Quezon Province, both in Quezon and the Senate City Division, are graduates of Inverga University. It has a pool of academically qualified faculty, and the College of Education holds the distinction of Level 3 firstly accredited in Region 4, awarded the title of Central Training Teacher Education in the Philippines, and has conducted 3 teacher induction programs. The first participant of the teacher induction program were from Quezon and the Senate City, and there were 100 participants. The second participants are coming from Calabarzon area, and we had 170 participants. And the third teacher induction program we have is coming from Quezon Pardas area, and we have 100 participants. This is how we conducted the teacher education program at Jasper University. At present, we are on our second year, 5th year of our CMO number 30 series of 2004 curriculum, and we offer Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, Mathematics, Biological Science, Music, Art, and Physical Education and Filipino. At the same time, we have Bachelor of Elementary Education with a field of specialization in preschool education. And we have a new course, a Bachelor of Life Science and Information Science. The teacher education program is a board course. And for the last 5 years, there is a continuous increase in the licensure examination results, showing is the elementary education examination, the first is the institutional passing percentage, and the other one is on the national passing percentage. You can see that the institutional passing percentage is 28.18% against 27.55%, and more up to September of 2008. That's why the candidates for education for the ETIAP course should also pass the board, because all our ETIAP candidates are passing the board examination for teachers. This is one of our top placers in the board last 2004. She is Miss Atalea Galliano, a DSS major in mathematics, who passed the board in 2004, second placer. Her grade was 91, while the top notcher is 91.25, and the top notcher is a master's degree and a faculty of Maryland College against a fresh graduate of Iberga University. Our ETIAP candidates to pass the licensure examination. And would appear they are on their best profession by this time. The La Rosa Lumeo is a scriptwriter and director of television, but he preferred to take up education in the ETIAP program. Where's Michael? The last ETIAP last year, Michael De Leon passed the examination, that's 25 years. So we expect our ETIAP candidates to pass the examination.